Ultra Blue. Have you heard about robots taking over some jobs? Warehouse workers might be replaced by robots soon. Companies like Amazon use warehouse robots that work really fast, more than 1,000 boxes per hour. These robots can be taught to work with existing warehouse equipment, reducing the need for many workers. They stack boxes neatly, saving space. However, they're not great for handling delicate things. They're perfect for clothes, books, and similar items. Number 2, Lidar. Ever seen baristas create designs on coffee? Well, a new Japanese robot takes it further. It draws inside cups and glasses, turning drinks into art. It uses a special arm with a siren system to draw letters, pictures, and even 3D objects. The drawings stay intact even when you pick up the cup. The material it uses is safe to eat and can be recycled. You can even upload your own art to the robot using an app. Great for making custom drinks for events.